Hey everyone, welcome back. And if you're new to the channel, welcome, glad to have you. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so we can be friends. Today we're going to make the Easter basket pop-up card. To find this card, you just go into projects, and right now it is the second one there. You can also go into cards, and if you're not seeing it, just search Easter basket pop-up cards. Easy as that. You will need cardstock along with a black pen, a darker pen, and a darker brown pen. But I'm going to get this cut out and we will put this together. Here are all the pieces. This one is actually going to be somewhat similar to the Poppy Basket pop-up card. First thing we're going to do is glue the pink head in behind our little bunny face. So let me get my craft glue here. I forgot to close the tab after crafting yesterday. Do you ever do that? I've yet to have my glue dry out, so I guess that's a good thing. Want just enough. That should be good. Let's get him lined up on there. Looks good. Oh, slightly off. There we go. Now we got our cute little buddy. He can go off to the side. So our next three pieces that we want to work with are these green pieces that have these little hump tabs at the top. So it's these three here. This one with the little circle, that's the one the bunny gets attached to. And then these ones are the eggs themselves. Cricut has the green egg attached with the bunny. I don't see why you couldn't do it any way you want. You're going to take the egg with the slit on the top and glue that on somewhat centered. This one I'm going to recommend that you be careful gluing it on because these ones kind of line up. So the bunny's kind of holding the egg. So keep that in mind. So I'm going to glue the bunny on first. But I'll start on these two here. So again, just a little bit of glue. Tap him on straight. Mine's a little crooked. There we go. I got a little hair caught in there. I think it's an eyelash, so should blow and make a wish. We'll do the pink one down here. And remember, it's the slit on the top. Okay, and for the green one, remember, as I said, you have to be kind of careful because the green one and the bunny kind of overlap. So we're going to get some glue on the tab. Putting him over a little bit. So I just want to see how well that lines up. That should be good. Now I'll show you on the back of this one for the bunny. There's that little hump there. That's where his foot lines up. So you can see I just left enough room on the side of it. So we'll get him glued on. Or her. It's probably a girl bunny actually. And I'm sliding the one tab kind of in, and I'm going to try and line this up the best I can. There we go. So there. See? Oh, don't move. See, he's holding the egg. So we'll let that stuff dry and then go on to the next step. Okay, you're going to need the two really big greenery pieces, and this is just like the basket one that I have uploaded. Got a few folds in there. Just trying to see the score lines. We'll fold the other one. They go back to back. There's a bottom slit, a top slit. They just slide into each other. Oops. One slides in, the other one slides out. There we go. Now it should make a little half circle, and these two should be lined up. Let's get a better fold in this part. Okay, now that we've got the box made, we can start adding the pieces. So find the two pieces that have the kind of roundish leaves on them. There is one with 3 slits on the top, 2 on the bottom. The other one has 2 slits top, 3 bottom. You're going to start with the one with the 2 in the bottom, and you're just going to add that to one of the center slits. So this is your first piece in. Then you're going to take the other one and go opposite. Next you've got one little leafy one, nothing on it. Put that the same as your first one you put in. Then you've got another one with an egg on it. It's got 2 upper slits, 3 bottom slits. That goes opposite the one you just put in. They go the same direction. They're just on the opposite side. Okay. Your single egg by itself, put at the back. Mr. Bunny or Mrs. Bunny or Miss Bunny goes at the front. So here, let me give you a quick look. So you've got bunny at the front, an egg at the back, and then another egg opposite the bunny. If you put this one on the other side, it will be behind the bunny. It will still work, but you won't see as much of the egg. So just keep that in mind. At this point, you can add, this is when I'm going to add the top of the eggs. Bottom slit just slides in the top slit. Easy peasy. So there, that's how that one's looking. So we're gonna put this close by and we're gonna work on the basket. Okay, the basket has a whole bunch of score lines. And be careful, you're bending outwards. So with the ink drawing part facing you, press outwards, and the tabs at the bottom, those come inwards. And there's one more tab there. We'll do that one outwards, and it just gets glued in behind. So line it up. I'm going to line up the pen on mine. And we'll let this dry. And once dry, we can attach it to our greenery, eggs, and bunny. Okay, attaching the basket, we're just going to bend our pieces to slide the basket over the top. I probably should have just glued this around it, but I was trying to follow Cricut's instructions instead of making my own. So the tabs have to line up. So I'm trying to twist this, but it's not working. So we'll start again. There we go. Okay. Make sure everything is opening and shutting properly. It appears to be. None of our eggs have popped off. Yay! Okay, now we're going to attach the basket tabs and the greenery tabs to the little white pieces. So I'll do this one on camera, and then the other one I'll probably do off camera. So I'm going to attach them like that, and I'm going to use my little small tape runner, if I can get it to work. This thing causes me nothing but grief, and it's mainly user error. So there's one. Let's get these tabs back in here all the way, because we want this to open up as smoothly as possible. Yeah, my problem is I keep holding it the wrong way. There we go. So there, I'll get the other one attached, and then we'll go on to the next step. Now for the main part of the card, fold on the score line. Be careful, it has done a double score line. There we go. So pretty much, if you don't fold it straight, you might fold half on one score line, half on the other. The little inserts get popped in there. I still got pieces of mine. I spent so much time weeding this paper. So I'll warn you now. Lots of little pieces that you have to poke out. We'll get the right side one attached first. Okay, to be careful on this one, I'm going to do the outside on here, just so I don't get any tape going through the cute little egg. Okay, now we attach the basket, so make sure you have it so the bunny is facing towards you and you've got the card the right way. Oh yeah, my handle's gonna stick out, so glue your handle further down than I did. That's okay. And we're just gonna add some double-sided tape on the white part only, not onto the basket. That looks pretty centered. Do the same on the back. Here is the final card. There's my handle poking out the side. So if you haven't attached your handle yet, just attach it further in. But there's the front of the card, got a cute little egg there. There's the card opened up. It does open up all the way. I love the little eggs in the corners, but there is a side view. Isn't that adorable? I really like this pop-up card. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate you. Until next time.